we're going to come into vacuum forming. And important part about vacuum forming is really starting with the foam shaping, because whatever detail line is put into the dash is going to come through in the vacuum former. So we have one of those 59 Cadillacs about to be vacuum formed, and we'll see that in just a moment. But as you can see, all of the detail has been brought back into the dash. So we are putting industrial heat activated glue on there, and that will make sure that after it's been vacuum formed and everything is tied together, it's a seal. It's getting sealed in there. Nothing is happening to that dash afterwards. If there's any little defect or imperfection after the vacuum forming process, it's a very sad day, but we do have to tear all of that material off and start again. So it's really important that we get the foam shaping part right, where anywhere from 20 to 40 hours in a week could be spent on that just to get it to this point. This part will take about 15 seconds on camera, but if we don't get it right the first time, it's done.